In this video we can talk about top 5 Stable Diffusion Web alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Q channel. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to top-notch alternatives for Stable Diffusion Web, an innovative web-based tool powered by advanced AI technology, designed to transform simple text prompts into stunning, high-quality images. The top 5 alternatives of Stable Diffusion Web, which are Bing Image Creator, Midjourney, DeepAI, WEPIK, and Deep Dream. Let's get started. Introducing the first alternative is Bing Image Creator. The Bing Image Creator stands as an AI-driven utility that crafts high-quality images to augment content. It offers features like text-to-image, pre-generated image library, and image synthesis. By leveraging a vast repository of existing images, it assembles new visuals, thereby aiding content creators, marketers, and educators in enhancing their materials. The standout feature of Bing Image Creator is its knack for seamlessly blending AI-generated visuals with textual content, resulting in enriched and captivating communication materials. Introducing our first alternative is Midjourney. Midjourney stands as a comprehensive solution for producing visually appealing artwork with minimal effort. It offers features like predefined templates, reduced risk, and creativity boost. By addressing the intricate dynamics of collaborative endeavors, Midjourney aims to elevate team productivity and project outcomes. One of its standout features is the adaptable Kanban boards that provide an intuitive framework for managing tasks and monitoring progress. Next up on our list is DeepAI. DeepAI emerges as an AI-driven platform dedicated to image upscaling and enhancement. It offers features like deep neural network architecture, high-resolution images, and multiple image generation. It employs sophisticated algorithms to augment the resolution and quality of images, even from low-resolution sources. It's particularly valuable for applications like enlarging images for print or enhancing surveillance footage. DeepAI's standout feature is its prowess in upscaling images, making it an invaluable tool for industries where visual clarity and precision are paramount. Moving on, we have WEPIK. WEPIK is an expansive online design platform providing a range of customizable templates and collaboration tools. It offers features like AI image generation, pre-made images, and multilingual support. WEPIK facilitates collaborative design efforts by enabling multiple users to work on a design project simultaneously, enhancing team efficiency. Its standout feature is AI-driven design recommendations, which guide users in optimizing their designs with data-driven insights. Last but not the least, we have Photosonic. Deep Dream offers a unique approach to image manipulation using neural networks to create dreamlike, surreal visuals. It offers features like AI image generator, text-to-image, and high-resolution images. With its customizable parameters, you can adjust the intensity and style of filters, allowing for fine-tuned control over the final output. Its standout feature is its generative process, where your inputs collaborate with AI to produce captivating and unpredictable image transformations. Compared to Stable Diffusion Web, Bing Image Creator excels in its focus on refining visual content, making it an ideal choice for designers seeking to elevate their images with precision and flair. Midjourney's strength lies in its capacity to optimize teamwork, task orchestration, and real-time updates, catering uniquely to the intricate dynamics of creative endeavors. DeepAI's strength lies in its focused AI capabilities, enabling custom model training, API integration, and AI playgrounds for experimental exploration. WEPIK emerges as an online design platform with a potent blend of customizable templates and AI. And Deep Dream's strength is in its fusion of technology and creativity, inviting users to push the boundaries of conventional design. After thoroughly research multiple AI tools, we would recommend DeepAI as the front-runner alternative to Stable Diffusion Web due to its exceptional emphasis on AI democratization. By seamlessly merging AI capabilities with creative pursuits, DeepAI goes beyond the norm. Its innovative AI playgrounds provide a safe haven for users to experiment with AI models freely, fostering a groundbreaking synergy of technology and creative expression that sets it apart from the rest. As we conclude our journey through these remarkable alternatives, remember the boundless possibilities that await your creativity. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.